So I have some patterns here that are made out of wood, obviously. That's what patterns are generally made out of. I believe that's for the core of this upright. This part comes off like this. That's the back of it, or basically the front. That's what the upright will look like when it's finished. This is for a Porsche 962. It's the pattern for the front upright. These two pieces here are where you would mount your brake caliper, and it's designed to accept the original Porsche calipers that were magnesium, and when they used 2 calipers per wheel, and also you can use it for the Brembo Group C caliper. And as you can see, it's symmetrical in design, so it can be used for either side. Anyways, I have these for sale. Comes with what's called a follow board. I'll have video, I'll include that in the video. And anyways, that'll allow you to cast out of any type of alloy. Currently we had these cast out of aluminum magnesium alloy called Dalmag. Is stronger than the magnesium. It tended to crack sometimes. But anyways, that's what that looks like for the parts that would be used to cast the uprights, and then of course you'd get your machinist to machine out the hollow parts, the openings, which generally would go through here where the cooling goes. I can also show you on my uprights that are finished, they're lightened considerably once they're machined. So that's that. So here we have what's called a follow board, which is what the other parts of the patterns sit on when they're doing the casting at the foundry. So you can see the upright sits in the middle of it. Again, I'm no expert on the casting process, but this is an integral part of the whole casting process to get the uprights, the rough castings. And normally when I had these done, I used to get a dozen at a time done at the foundry, and this is what they use, the follow board with the other patterns that I showed you earlier. So I'm looking to sell these, and again, these are for the front upright for the Porsche 962. And I actually use these, the finished product, of course, the complete upright from these castings on my 904, and I use them on my 962 that I built. As a matter of fact, I actually used them on all 4 corners. I just turned the upright upside down to use on the rear, and it provides a number of mounting points for the lower and upper A-arms, steering arm for the front, and then for the lower on the rear for the lower toe link. So anyways, this complete setup for doing the casting of the uprights is currently up for sale. You can contact me. You need to get $5,000 USD for the whole set of patterns.